Hello, my name is Sandra Esquivias. Today we'll be reviewing a augmentative assisted technology device. It is the device Lightwriter SL40. The users targeted for the technology device are many people with acquired speech loss. Speech loss that are followed by larynectomy, tracheostomy, strokes, head injury, or with progressive neurological disease such as a motor neuron disease, also known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, MS, or Huntington's chorea. This is how a Lightwriter SL40 looks like. It is compatible. It is lightweight, and people who are the users, they type. So they need their hands, their fingers, so they can type it like a keyboard. The list price is $6,995 for the device. Optional accessories include in the car charger for $131, mounting plate kit for $75, and handle strap kit for $107. So it is a bit pricey, but it is a device to use for communication, and it could be crucial for some users. The pros of the Lightwriter SL40 are elegant, durable, lightweight, can connect via Bluetooth, adjustable screen, and it has a dictionary preloaded. The cons of the device is that service parts are limited and it is a bit expensive.